What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making crawfish queso. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need crawfish tails, Velveeta cheese, Colby jack cheese, milk, heavy whipping cream, green onions, yellow onion, Roma tomato, minced garlic, diced jalapeños, shrimp and crab boil, seasoned oil, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. We're going to begin by dicing a half a yellow onion. Diced Roma tomato, chop 3 stalks of green onion, cube a 16-ounce block of Velveeta cheese, shred Colby jack cheese, in the skillet, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add yellow onions and saute until tender. Add diced jalapeños. Add Roma tomatoes. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and saute for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add in your crawfish tails. Season the taste with seasoned oil, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and a half cup of shrimp and crab boil. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes. In a different skillet, add a half a cup of milk, add a half cup of heavy whipping cream, add cubes of Velveeta cheese, Once your Velveeta cheese has melted, add 1 cup of Colby Jack cheese. After your Colby Jack cheese melt, add in your crawfish and mix. And there you have it, Crawfish Queso. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them in Memphis be cooking.